with WakeMAKERS. Today we're going to show you through the installation of our engine divider panel saver kit. This is a great product. It's going to save you a bunch of time, hassle. So one of the things that we've noticed in all of our years, decade of adding ballast to boats, is that the divider panel that separates the engine from the storage compartment will tend to bow when you fill up the ballast bag next to it, and ultimately it will pop out of the track that it sits in. This is an issue on almost all boats. Some boats in the current model year, we're 2018 right now shooting this video, are getting better, but most of the boats have this problem. So really simple fix to alleviate that frustration and hassle and save you some expense if you do damage the panel beyond use. So this is our engine divider panel saver kit. Comes with everything that you need for the installation except for some basic tools. So we've got the hardware kit, we've got the bars themselves. We include 6 of these with each kit, so recommend installing 3 per side. And that should be everything that you need to do your entire boat. The way it works is that we'll basically just position these panels one at the midpoint lengthwise, and then we'll position them middle, top to bottom. You also see here where the upper track sits in the divider, in the rear locker area. So we don't want to obviously install the panel up there, that would interfere. So these clips are going to lock onto that, so we want to stay below that. And then we can see where the lower track sits. And this is pretty obvious when you pull the panel out of the boat to do the installation. So we'll go ahead and position our bars, get them spaced out equally. You can be as precise or eyeball this as much as you want to, but we'll go ahead and do that and then get on to the installation process. So we've got our layout done now, position the bars where we want them on the panel. We're just gonna grab a Sharpie, we'll go ahead and mark each of the hole locations so that we can drill these out. Just go through and do all 3 panels here, or all 3 bars, excuse me. And then once we've marked the holes, set this off to the side so we don't damage it all. We've got our drill loaded up with a 3/8 bit, and we'll just find center on that hole. Drill that out, and then we'll repeat the process for all the holes. So now that we've got the holes drilled, we can grab our hardware here, and included is a 3/16 Allen wrench with the kit for installation. And the way this works is basically the bolt is just going to feed up from the bottom side. The nut will actually sit right into the track, and you can get it started. Repeat that process for the second hole down here. And then we'll grab the Allen wrench and go ahead and snug these up. And you see the nut will just stay captive right there. So very important that we actually do this by hand. We don't want to use a drill to run this hardware in. That can lead to galling, where basically the threads will just seize up. It's basically a cold weld. It's not serviceable, there's no way to undo it, so you're just going to be stuck. So go ahead and snug up both of these bolts, and then repeat the process for the remaining 2 bars. Do the other side of the boat, and now your engine divider panel is safe, won't get bowed, damaged, bent when you load your ballast bags up, and saves you the hassle of the panel popping out of place and all of your gear ending up in the locker. If you have any questions, feel free to contact the product expert. We'll be happy to help you.